Welcome to Brain Booster. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and crimson, a flurry of activity electrifies the city below. Hundreds of thousands of lights flicker to life, illuminating the landscape in a dazzling display of technology and human ingenuity. Yet this complex web of energy and light pales in comparison to the intricate workings of a 3-pound organ located within the skull of every person in that city, the human brain. This marvel of evolution, no larger than 2 clenched fists, orchestrates every thought, movement, emotion, and memory. It is the maestro of the human experience, and yet remains one of our greatest mysteries. What if we explored the inner universe hidden beneath our cranium with the same enthusiasm and resources dedicated to exploring outer space? The human brain, a labyrinth of nearly 100 billion neurons connected by trillions of synapses, is as enigmatic as the cosmos and just as integral to our understanding of what it means to be human. Unveiling the structures and functions of the brain is not merely an academic endeavor. It is a journey into the self, and the findings resonate far beyond the confines of neuroscience. From the primitive neural structures in ancient Cambrian creatures to the sophisticated organ in modern humans, the brain has undergone an evolutionary journey spanning over 500 million years. This journey has not been linear, but marked by significant leaps and bounds in complexity and capability. As we delve into the brain's evolutionary past, we start seeing patterns that help explain some of the organ's present capabilities and limitations. For instance, the development of the neocortex, a feature predominant in mammals, allowed for the emergence of advanced cognitive functions such as reasoning, planning, and language. These evolutionary milestones have not only shaped the physical structure of the brain, but also influenced how it interacts with its environment, ensuring survival and procreation. The evolution of the brain is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a continuous adaptation to ever-changing environmental demands and challenges. The human brain is divided into several distinct regions, each responsible for different aspects of neural activity. These include the cerebrum, the largest part responsible for cognitive functions, the cerebellum, which coordinates movement, and the brainstem, which controls basic life functions. Understanding the geography of the brain is fundamental to decoding its function. Each region not only has a unique set of responsibilities, but also a specific way of processing information and interacting with other parts. This complex arrangement is not a mere chance, but a streamlined organization that maximizes efficiency and response times. The cerebral cortex, often referred to as the gray matter, is the brain's outermost layer and is crucial for higher cognitive functions. Below this layer, white matter contains millions of nerve fibers that connect different parts of the brain, allowing for rapid communication across regions. Neurons, the basic units of the brain, communicate through specialized connections called synapses. This communication involves both electrical and chemical signals, creating a dynamic network of interactions that forms the basis of all neural activity. Each neuron can be connected to thousands of others, creating a densely interconnected network that is the foundation of all thought, feeling, and movement. The synaptic interactions are not static. They change in response to experience, a phenomenon known as synaptic plasticity. This adaptability is what allows for learning and memory formation, adapting our neural circuits to new information and experiences. The chemical signals or neurotransmitters released in these synapses not only carry information, but also play critical roles in mood regulation and mental health. Understanding synapses is key to deciphering how neurons succeed in transforming simple electrical impulses into the profound complexity of human thought. The brain is responsible for an array of complex and specialized functions that interface seamlessly to create the continuum of human experience. From interpreting sensory information to producing abstract thought, the breadth of the brain's capabilities is staggering. Each brain function relies on a particular network of neurons, optimized for specific types of processing. The visual cortex processes images, the auditory cortex handles sound, and the frontal lobes are involved in planning and decision-making. Moreover, the brain is not only a reactive organ, but also a predictive one. It constantly creates models of the world to predict events and prepare responses, a crucial factor in the survival and adaptation of our species. Understanding these functions offers not just insight into human behavior, but also potential pathways for treating brain disorders. Human memory is a complex, multifaceted system that allows us to store, retrieve, and manipulate information over long periods. Contrary to a single storage space, the brain has multiple memory systems, each playing a distinct role in the encoding, storage, and recall of information. The hippocampus, for example, is essential for the formation of new memories, particularly those involving personal experiences or specific events. Meanwhile, procedural memory, responsible for motor skills, relies more on the cerebellum and basal ganglia. Understanding these systems not only provides insight into how we remember, but also how memories decay or get altered, and how such processes can be influenced or improved. This has significant implications not just for educational methodologies, but also for addressing memory-related diseases. The human brain is not static, but experiences significant changes throughout an individual's life. From the rapid growth and synaptic pruning of early childhood to the cognitive shifts of aging, the brain's development is a continuous process. These changes are profoundly influenced by both genetics and environment. For instance, early childhood experiences can profoundly affect the structure and function of the brain, highlighting the importance of early education and stimulating environments. The aging of the brain, characterized by the loss of neurons and synapses, affects memory, reasoning, and processing speed. However, recent research suggests that the brain remains somewhat plastic even in old age, capable of generating new cells and connections in response to learning. One of the most pervasive myths about the brain is that humans only use 10% of it. This claim is not only false, but misunderstands the complexity and efficiency of the brain. Every part of the brain has a known function. Neuroimaging has shown that virtually every area of the brain has a specific role, and damage to any part can have profound effects on cognition or body functions. This myth likely arose from a misunderstanding of how brain potential could be further optimized, not from unused portions of the brain. Debunking such myths is essential not just for understanding the brain's true potential, but also for appreciating its complexity and the challenges involved in neuroscientific research and neurology. The brain's health is inextricably linked to the overall well-being of the body. Disorders of the brain, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and depression, affect millions worldwide and underscore the organ's role in overall health management. Moreover, the brain interacts continuously with other body systems, influenced by and influencing everything from the immune response to gut health. This bidirectional communication is central to concepts like the gut-brain axis, which explores how gut health can affect mental health, and vice versa. Understanding and enhancing brain health can lead to better outcomes, not only for neurological disorders, but for overall physical health and quality of life. This realization drives current research into preventive neurology, and encourages a holistic view of health that includes nurturing the brain. In conclusion, the human brain, with all its complexity and mystery, remains at the forefront of scientific inquiry and public fascination. Unraveling its secrets is more than an academic challenge. It's a key to understanding ourselves and improving our lives in profound ways. As we continue to dive deeper into its intricate networks and vast capabilities, every discovery brings us closer to grasping the full potential of what it means to be truly human. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.